I'm here.
Nothing more to be said after that. That's the whole interview.
I'm here at Eagle Inn tonight in Coatbridge, and there's an all-deer festival here, and Black Wolf Trap have just stormed the stage. We've got Louis on the right here that plays bass. Jamie is the lead singer of the band, and Richie plays drums. How did the band come about, and where did you get the name Black Wolf Trap?
Well, we were going about names for a while. We really liked Wolf Trap, and
yeah, me and Jamie wrote down like a list of 20 sort of names, trying to come up with one of them, and we landed on a name called Wolf Trap, so that's brilliant. But there was sort of like a clothing brand.
yeah, I think there was like a bar in America called Wolf Trap or the Wolf Trap, so we just thought we'd go Black Sabbath.
Tons of bands we love start with black, like Black Rebel Motorcycle Club, Black Sabbath, Black Keys. Just put black at the start of Wolf Traps, Black Wolf Traps.
Black Wolf Trap, there's the boring story.
Yeah.
So your performances are nothing short of amazing, to be honest with you.
Cheers.
Like, how would you describe your music? It's like heavy rock goes into rap, goes into sort of dub funk. I would put it, but I mean,
everyone we meet has a different definition of what we sound like, and whatever you say, that's correct.
It's definitely riff based. We're just, I'd say we're a riff band, but we love tons of music. And so Jamie's got a hand in like hip hop and rap. I love tons of heavy music, so it goes from there really.
so what's all your influences?
Personally, I love like Black Sabbath, Stranglers, The Clash, Iggy Pop, and yeah, heavy rock. You know, sort of love a little bit of hip hop and rap as well. But
What about yourself, Jamie? Where do you take your influences from?
A lot of the stuff, kind of like Rage Against the Machine, a bit of the Hives. I love like their frontman and just how they deliver the vocals. It's kind of like chanty, shouty, just pure passion. Kind of like rhythmic rapping, like almost talking. Love those type of bands. Love Biffy Clyro, Scottish based as well. British Scottish band.
What about yourself, Richie?
Weirdly, the first band I ever got was Eminem, and I used to love style drumming. I used to love not playing the drums to the song, but playing the drums to his lines, because it's so percussion-y, and that's one of the things that I really like. What's in this? Not the heavy influence like Louis, not like Rage Against the Machine influence like Jamie, but the one thing I always loved doing was playing completely opposite and playing to the rhythm of the voice, which is why I love working with Louis and Jamie, because like Jamie spits lines it's the lead guitar, so he's blasting those parts. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna need that, join in on that, and then Louis just drops in these amazing riffs, and I'm just like, wow, that goes to that. Like I'm a fan of the band on the drum kit.
So who's the one with the talent that does all the songwriting? Do you all collaborate together as the songwriter?
Jamie's the main songwriter. And to be honest, we all sort of do, like, we all make music. Cause
Louis the riff master.
I make the riffs, but we sort of arrange it together. So I'll make a riff, and then like Jamie and Rich always have ideas of the riff can go this way or that way.
We're almost like a super group. We've actually been in bands, like other bands. Richie's still in other bands, but we've also been in bands together as well. So we also have done different things. Louis is an amazing like lead guitarist, plays absolute unreal bass with us. Like Richie's frontman in his other band. Like when I first met him, he's a bass player. Now he's doing like some unreal drummer as well. And for me, so we've kind of come in almost like a super group. We've got our own ideas, we've got our own styles, we mash them together. So sometimes I'll come with like lyrics, melody of a song, or Lewis will just come in with riffs, and like I feel like we can all bounce off each other. Like, and when we are writing together, it is a total like three-way all input, as in like sequencing and ideas and mixing things up.
One of the things I love about working in this band is the fact that we're able to we'll try any idea of a riff every single way. So we've got 3 different ideas on how to play the one riff. We will try all 3.
I've got to say though,
We're happier with it and make the best combination.
before Black Wolf Trap became a thing, me and Jamie were doing a project of some kind, we weren't sure what. And I was thinking it was going to be more hip hop based, like going to have a lot more sort of low end bass, guitar, hip hop, drums. But then like Rich really gave me a hand on getting my setup with bass, like the bass and dual guitar setup, similar to sort of Royal Blood going. And yeah, like I think me and Jamie would say offhand how good it would be to have like a Royal Blood / whatever at the moment hip hop rap sort of idea. But I don't have a clue about any of that, so Rich really gave me a head start on sort of basically setting up what I need to do.
Basically a total tripod, like this band couldn't exist without any member.
Yeah.
The way we've just came together, it's let's say we've all worked together in music projects, in different things and individually, but us coming together, really the three of us made this band and it couldn't exist without, which has been so much fun. We try out every idea, we love like so much different like genres of music and we're influenced by it, so you can hear like the bluesness, the ska, you can hear the punk and the funk, the rap and the rock, we love it all and we're just having such a good time and like in our shows we're literally having a massive party and we're hopefully like opening some folks' minds, eyes and ears to some styles or genres they might not maybe think they even care for or enjoy, but they have that gateway through our band, so we're bringing together loads of different folk who like different styles and we're just having an amazing fun time doing it as well.
Just after coming off the stage here tonight, like massive thank you to everyone who's arranged to hear the Eagle and like massive thank you to all them. But we got people walking up to us when I would never listen to anything like that, but my mind was blown. Didn't know what this was, but I couldn't stop listening. Like, and that's what you want, you're like trying to remind people that there's other genres that they might not listen to, but then like if you fuse it all together, you can make something like that.
So that's one of our biggest compliments, folk. Kind of like shock and amaze people, that's our...
So when I write songs that are a bit off the wall as well, like structure-wise, we're not into sort of verse, chorus, middle way. Like a lot of our songs have like 7 different parts, and like Jamie has his own thing when he does his frontman thing, so using that to sort of kind of off the wall ideas, I think it is, I don't know, it's a bit unconventional, I'd say. It's like, you're going to get something different, yeah.
If you were to collaborate with a songwriter or a band, who would you like to collaborate with?
Oh, that's a good question.
Alive or dead?
Yeah. Tony Iommi from Black Sabbath. John Amos from The Who. JJ Barnell from Stranglers. Fucking tons of people, I don't know.
There's so many.
So you're doing some festivals as well that have passed, but some more are coming up. Party in the Park's coming up next weekend. Party in the Palace is coming up next weekend. What else can we expect in the coming months ahead?
We've got a lot of releases. We've got like eight songs we're recording at the moment. Hopefully this year we've a ton of music to release, but we're still deciding on how to release it. So like whether in the single format or doing EP or doing an album, we're deciding that. Yeah.
So if people want to find out about your music and that, where can they go to? Be on
We've got 2 songs on Spotify currently.
We're basically
Facebook page.
We're on every side.
Just scan that code. Hold your phone up to the camera of the video.
Jamie's the video man.
Freeze the video, scan it on your phone. You'll find us everywhere. We're updating daily on Facebook and Instagram, but follow us on Spotify because like Louis just said, we've got so much music we're going to be releasing and it's going to have something for everyone and it's crazy.
And you've got the t-shirt on as well to sell at the concerts.
We've been getting hounded for t-shirts this whole
Hounded?
Yeah, literally hounded. Wolves. We're hounded by wolves.
Well, thanks very much for your time, Jamie, Louis and Richie.
Cheers.
Look forward to seeing you again in the coming months ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.